Hi, I'm Anthony from Halos Cocktails, and this video is to show you how to use your mocktail or citrus or cream based product for the machine. These products are concentrated, they're concentrated on a 1-to-1 mix ratio. So all you do is remove the lid, pop that on the side, take the top off. Most of the time that ring actually snaps off and hooks around there, in which case take that off, because otherwise it'll drop into the machine. Then put it on its side and you'll find it doesn't glug, and pour the contents into the machine. And then you would refill this container with water and do the same again. I've already got the container here, which is ready filled with the water to the 2.5 litre mark, which is just there. And then you pour that in again. That's it. That's the drink complete. Put the lid back on, switch the machine on, the product will mix, it will freeze. That's it. Thank you.